Good afternoon everyone. Myself Kavita Guru. I am the basic level social teacher as well as the coordinator of this school. Firstly, I will request our guardian and viewers, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, comment and more share, and don't forget to press bell icon for our new videos. Now I am going to class 5, unit number 1, me, my family and my neighbors. I already teach my previous online classes, me and my family and also my neighbors. The lesson number 1, work and profession in my neighborhood. If we are living a neighborhood, there are lots of family are there. They have lots of profession the families are doing. In this lesson, we already learned about the neighborhoods profession in class 1 up to 4. Now again we are repeated in class 5. In this lesson, there is a Shashikala Tamang, and their neighborhoods are doing different types of work, but they are living together. So we can respect our neighborhoods profession. All works are same. We are always be respect them and we always be polite them our neighborhood. So the first we are talking about Shashikala Tamang. Shashikala Tamang is the neighborhood will find a variety of peoples are engaged in a different profession. In Shashikala Tamang's neighborhood, we are find the lots of profession the families are doing here. The first we are talking about the Shashikala's father. His name is Krishnaman. He is a hotelier. Shashikala's father name is Krishnaman. He is a hotelier. From all over the world came from the stay. All the tourists. Yes. Krishnaman's father's hotel in a Nuwakot. They have lots of tourists came from all over the world. Krishnaman has made many foreign friends who wrote his emails and came home, and he also said to visit their country also. But Krishnaman's father only came on Saturday for a community meeting. He always active with our neighborhood's work. Krishnaman said he also always be active from his community work development, and also he always be helping our community. So we are talking about our next person in Shashikala Tamang's neighborhood. The second person of Shashikala Tamang's neighborhood, the name is Kavindra. Kavindra Man does the plumbing. He is a plumber. He fit and repair pipes, water tank and taps, so that there is a good supply of water to homes. Sometimes he does not even have time for a meal because of busy schedule. He always going to his work, so sometimes he not take his meal also. He goes to work early in the morning and return home in a evening, because he going to early in the morning his work and return in a evening. But on Saturday he does not leave the house except to attend the community meeting. He also attend the community meeting on Saturday. In the meeting, all the peoples of the neighborhood gather and discuss community problems and share ideas to solve them. Their aim is to make a community a better place to live. All the neighborhoods of Shashikala Tamangs, they have the same thinking and same ideas. They have think that we have help each other, we can develop each other to make our community better. Same, the third person of Shashikala Tamang's neighborhood, his name is Upendra Kesi. Upendra Kesi is an officer of Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance means अर्थ मन्त्रालयको ठुलो पदमा भएको मान्छेलाई भनिन्छ. अर्थ मन्त्रालयको ठुलो पदमा भएको मान्छेलाई भनिन्छ. He goes to work every day at 10. He goes to work at 10 a.m. to morning. He is a taxi officer to pay his tax officer. The second person of Sashikala Tamang's neighborhood is Kavindra Man, does the plumbing. He is a plumber. He fits and repair pipe, water tank and tap so that there is a good supply of water to homes. Sometimes he does not even have time to take a meal. He goes to early in the morning and return in the evening. But on the Saturday he does not leave the house except to attend the community meeting. In the meeting, all the peoples of the neighborhoods gather and discuss community problems and share ideas to solve them. Their aim is to make a community better place to live. That the whole neighborhood's aim is to make his community better place for living. So they share their ideas and to solve them, sort out them, how to solve the problems to create our community, how they solve it them. Now the third person of Sashikala Tamang's neighborhood is Upendra Kesi. Upendra Kesi is an officer, Ministry of Finance. He goes to work every day at 10. He is tax office. You have to pay your taxes. He tell his all neighbors when they meet on Saturday. The Upendra Man Kesi is a Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of Finance is the Arth Mantralaya. Arth Mantralaya मा पनि उस पदमा भएको, त्यसमा पनि ट्याक्स अफिसर हुनुहुन्थ्यो उहाँ. अनि द्याट्स he tells his neighbors when he meet on Saturday community meeting, then he tells his neighbors they are pay the all taxes time to time or not. Then the fourth person of Sashikala Tamang's neighborhood is Rajan Kumar and his wife. Rajan Kumar and his wife, they are tailor. They make school uniform. Everyone visit them to get their children's uniform switched. Damodar and Hiramans grows crops and vegetables. They first supply their products to neighborhood and sell the rest in the market. Firstly, their first priority they give their neighborhood and then they supply to market. Then the conclusion is if different people works in a different sector in the neighborhood, then they have to depend on each other, because we have neighborhood. There are different types of families are living there, and also the different types of profession. We are depend on each other, because if tailor is not there, where we switches our clothes. If the farmer is not there, where we buy the vegetables and fruits. So same there is no plumber where we switches our home's pipe and also repairing our tanks. So that and same types of same type of works in our neighborhood, they are also depend on each other. We also depend on each other, they also depend our profession also. So in the community, every job is valuable. Yes, every job is valuable. So we respect them. All jobs are not big and not small. So the all work is valuable and all job is valuable. So our responsibility to respect them. Every occupation and profession support another profession. The same, every profession support another profession. Same, if we support their profession, their profession support our profession. So every occupation has own importance. Every occupations have own importance. They have own importance. So we respect them. We always respect them, and we always think them all works are valuable and all work are important for us. Thank you. Now I will give you homework for class 5, page number 10, question number 1 and question number 2. Do at your book. Thank you.